I realize you might not like the sound of your own voice. Most people don't. I'm not going to ask you to listen to your voice yet, but I am going to ask you just to practice one more time talking about anything and record yourself. Preferably if you can have a friend, family member, colleague, record it with your own cell phone 5, 6 feet away, even better. And then watch yourself. The single biggest factor in you becoming a great speaker and really advancing has nothing to do with the quality of your voice, the ums, the uhs, your vocabulary, or how smart you are. The single biggest determinant, in my experience, your willingness to practice on video. The ultimate test is, can you watch yourself giving a presentation and listen to it and really love every aspect of the style and substance? I'm not going to ask you to post the video yet, but I am going to ask you just to practice one more time recording yourself and then just watch without the sound. Write your notes, anything you like, don't like, in the discussion section. If you have a particular problem or concern about what to do with your feet, or you feel like your hands are moving too much, post it there and I'll address it directly.